Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. The masterpiece of your life. Everything in life has a sequence and perfect timing. Wait steadfastly in positive anticipation for what lies next and what the path unfolds. Within the journey, you'll find wisdom, strength, and faith despite the stormy night. Look closely. You'll discover joy, enlightenment, and serendipity in disguise. Altogether, this creates the best version of you and the masterpiece of your life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday, right now. I am grateful for an internet thing that happened. I am very grateful for a new part I received. And I am grateful for my mechanic. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.